Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Mustang and Tesla Model 3. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which car best suits your needs. The Mustang, a classic American muscle car, boasts powerful gasoline engines, including thrilling V8 options. In contrast, the Tesla Model 3, an all-electric sedan, delivers instant torque and incredibly rapid acceleration. Both cars offer exhilarating performance, often achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, but they do so with very different powertrains. When considering range and efficiency, these two vehicles diverge significantly. The Ford Mustang, running on gasoline, typically achieves around 20 to 25 miles per gallon combined, depending on the engine. The Tesla Model 3, being fully electric, offers an impressive range of over 250 miles on a single charge. Recharging the Model 3 is convenient, either at home or through Tesla's extensive supercharger network, making long trips feasible. Moving inside, the interior and technology experiences are quite distinct. The Ford Mustang presents a more traditional, driver-focused cockpit, blending physical controls with modern digital displays. Conversely, the Tesla Model 3 embraces a minimalist design, with nearly all functions controlled via its prominent 15-inch central touchscreen. Tesla also leads with advanced driver assistance systems and continuous over-the-air software updates, constantly improving the vehicle's features and performance. Finally, let's consider price, practicality, and overall value. Base models of the Ford Mustang often start around $30,000, with high-performance versions significantly increasing that cost. The Tesla Model 3 typically begins around $40,000, with prices varying based on battery range and optional features. While the Mustang offers a classic sports car experience, the Model 3 provides a modern, efficient, and technologically advanced daily driver. For more great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.